Hello and welcome guys. In this tutorial I'll show you what is Looking Glass and how do you install it on your server. Let me quickly open the link and show you what we are going to do. As you can see, this is the tutorial, and Looking Glass is to check network speed and allow users to perform network related queries on your server. So this is the whole document guys, you can read if you want. The Looking Glass I'm going to install on the server is this particular server, and this is a new server and it doesn't have any application installed. It was just provisioned. So let's begin guys. Let me follow the tutorial. The first step is to install Apache. I would copy it and go back to my server and run the command with -y option so that it won't prompt for user acceptance criteria. Now Apache is installed. As per the tutorial, now we have to restart the Apache service. That's what I did here. And the step number 3 is to install PHP. This is a big command to remember, I guess. Anyhow, I'm also running this command with -y option so that it this we don't want skip to prompt for user acceptance. So now this is done. Let's install MariaDB with the following command. I have executed it, and we have few packages, and now that MariaDB is also installed, let's start the MariaDB service. Yes, that's done. Now let's secure it. When you Okay, let me show. When you do this, as this is my test server, I don't want to do any custom modification, so I would just enter no for each and everything. With that, our secure option is done. Let's restart the Apache service. Now that's done. We also want wget in our server because we'll be downloading Looking Glass script from GitHub. So that's done. Now these are the prerequisites guys, like I would want to know server IP as well. So with this, this is my server IP. I have noted it down. Now this is the default web page directory for Apache, so that's where I have navigated. And now let's download the Looking Glass script from GitHub. So this is the URL for it. That's done. It's basically a very small script. Let's unrar it. Let me quickly unrar it. Yep, that's done. Let me rename Looking Glass to something called speed test. You can notice guys, I am running all these commands as a root user, so that's the one consideration you would need to consider. You should have access to use root. So now basically if you see the in the Looking Glass directory, these are the files which it has downloaded, and we are interested to configure it. So the using bash script we are configuring it. So this is where the configuration begin. Do you want to install? Yes, I do. So it started the installation. Here there are few things which we would want to input to this particular script. You would be seeing in this particular, enter the website of your name. For example, I would do 95 host. Okay, yes, it's like copy paste. Sure, my server location, and this is my IP address. If you are not aware of IPv6 guys, you can just give this. That's an optional, no problem. Yes, I want 100 MB, sorry, 10 MB, 20, 50, 100, and this is something which you can give as per your needs. I don't want to limit any user for this particular test. So now this bash script gonna go ahead and create those files which we have asked it to create. As you can see, new files are being created. So once this is done, once the installation is done, you would no, I want default theme to be created. Installation is complete. This once you see this is it's clear that the installation is being done. Now What I'll do is I'll navigate to my IP uh, file, and I'm in speed test, I believe. Yeah, speed test. So I would just go ahead and give this particular, okay, let me show you guys. This is the IP address followed by speed test folder which I have just given. You can see guys, this is installed on this particular server with this I mean the files which we have asked the script to create, it just created. If you want to speed the speed network speed, you just click it. Hope you guys have enjoyed this tutorial. Please like this video and subscribe to this channel.